The Korean automaker teases its upcoming next-generation three-row SUV. The Hyundai Santa Fe's recent redesign is a sure hit, and the Korean automaker hopes to keep the momentum going with an upcoming overhaul of the larger 2026 Hyundai Palisade three-row SUV. We've seen prototypes testing that we suspect are a little bigger than the current model and adopt some exciting new design language. And now the Korean side of the automaker's operations has released the first fully revealed images of the next-gen Palisade online for us to further inspect. Hyundai hasn't said much about the next-gen Palisade yet, beyond the Korean site releasing images of the fully revealed SUV online now. The entire front end looks to be either entirely part of the grille or lighting elements, with massive stacked daytime running lights flanking what looks like 4 other lighting units around an otherwise pretty normal grille opening. We also notice a little lower moustache of what could be active aerodynamic shutters or otherwise some sort of designed art, but we can't help but think of Salvador Dali, or John Waters. In profile, the DRLs wrap around for a striking graphic framing device for the rest of the massive vehicle, with a large blacked-out greenhouse running over an otherwise mostly flat side surface, with squared-off indents around the wheel wells. A new, large chrome element strikes up from the very rear pillar and shoots across the top of the greenhouse toward the windshield. The roof has another dark, black or body-colored, it's not totally clear in these images, layer above the chrome piece, and then chrome again on the dramatic roof rails. The rear end squares off rather neatly and uneventfully at the back, with again those bright graphic lighting elements wrapping around to frame the SUV in profile. If we ever questioned the top trim luxury of the Palisade before, it looks doubtful we'll be as questionable for this new generation, given the svelte look at the interior we've gotten here so far. What's likely the rather common, for Hyundai these days, double 12.3-inch screen setup looks like it could be installed here, framed in rounded layers of beautiful tan leather elements. We spy plenty of physical buttons retained from the current model, which is welcomed, as well as a wireless phone charging pad, cup holders, and plenty of USB-C ports. Expect the next-gen Palisade to show up a little later in 2025 as a 2026 model year, with more details to come.